Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Somebody says that knowledge without wisdom is just like a boat on a dry land. Dear fellows, my name is Sayyid Ahmed Babar and I will be teaching you O-level Islamiyat. So far my personal experience is concerned, guys, I have been teaching for the last 7 years and currently I am teaching in Lahore Grammar School, LGSJT, for the last 4 years. Guys, why Ahmed Babar? Why Islamiyat with Sayyid Ahmed Babar? How can I really create a difference for you? I mean, everywhere there will be Islamiyat. Then why me? I am very humbled. I have solution of all of your problems. Islamiyat is a theoretical subject and everybody is going to teach you in a theoretical manner, but I have a different plan for you, and this is my guarantee that with the help of timelines I am going to omit Islamiyat, I am going to omit long paragraphs from Islamiyat, and you can write the entire Islamiyat in your own words with the help of my timeline notes, and inshallah ta'ala you can really create a difference and you can get your desired result. So join me and meet me, and inshallah we will work together and prove that Islamiyat is a very easy subject. Thank you very much. See you there.